Hi, today I will show practically GEO class. Actually, the previous class I was described what is GEO, what are the full meanings of GEO. GEO means Generative Engine Optimization, and fully explain in this class. And today I will show the practically how to work GEO. Then let's go. Actually, when my user and my audience are search something in Google search engine, when they are needed informations they are search how to something repair or they are know some things, then Google are show AI overview. Because before 1 or 2 years ago, when our user or audience are search something, then Google are show one by one websites. But right now Google are show, but firstly Google are show the AI overview. That is our main problem. Then our my audience say, how can I solve this problem? How to rank my content and website in this overview? No worries. You want to rank your content and website in this overview, then follow the some guidelines. Actually, right now Google are important and they are announce import content is their importance, because the before 1 or 2 years ago the websites are not give the real and good information. They are give the fake and lots of other information. But right now Google are importance content. Well, you can now tell me how can I strong my content and rank this in this overview after getting more traffic and this. Well, then you follow the some guidelines. Firstly, your content is long. Follow EEAT. EEAT means expert, experience, trust, and authorities. And it is important of your website, but it is we are properly at our content. Then now after that, and then our content is not plagiarized, not duplicate content. Third, our content is when Google bot, then ChatGPT and other AI tools like Perplexity, then Google's Gemini, then Grok, and then Google Clouds are other AI tools are quickly understand, and they are proper read this our content, and they are after that collect our content and then show the overview. Then now we can talk. Now I give you some example. Firstly, I was 15 years ago I was search what benefits of Blazor in this query. Then Google in this name show the overview. While simply same your our user are search their needed information, then Google are show the first overview, and then down Google are show the websites one by one. Firstly, then our most of the user are read this content, AI overview content, and then after go back because they are don't need, because these contents are useful and professional. Well, these contents are not made by generated. It is collected in these websites, because these websites are provide good and real and beneficial information. Like I want to rank my content in the search engine overview, then like my user is read this content, then she or he thinking this content is good, then this content is important and beneficial and not fake it. After that go love this content, and I will show the more example. You can talk. Actually, our most of the user are search the our keyword, their needed information, the mobile phone, and they are look in this area, just in this area, not in this area. When they are read this content, and then show our all content in sidebar, show the links, this and this. Well, my user is like this content, then probably 70 to 80% sure they are no more or no more, then click this link, When click this link, then there is show when our user is click this link in mobile phone, then go to the automatically websites. And like I want to rank my content, then how to can I get a traffic and leads in my website? Then after that our user is click this link, then go to the website, and like your website is not click this link and not then you don't get the impressions and proper clicks. And that's why not worry, actually all other from while your content is properly optimized, then Google will show your brand name, which websites they are collected, and these websites name are there are in this content are show. Well, when your user is read this content, then they are look your brand name. Well, right now they are read this content and they are understand this content is important, beneficial, and this content is the right information they are give this brand, and they are look after that they are on need in this keyword relevant information, then they are go to the directly our website, because when Google and mention and show the our brand name, that's why they are go to the directly our website, and we are get the more information and traffic. Well, you can now get talk me while we are follow all guidance, then we our content is rank no or more subjects your website speed or your website authorities and trust, but most of the people are now right now we say authority is important. Yeah, authority is important on your website service, but right now very important because on your user like this content go to the website, then it is very important. But right now Google are announce and they are important the content, not the authorities. When your content is right, beneficial, importance, then Google and other search AI bots are collected your content and show in this overview. After that you can get lots of more getting traffic and impressions. And you need to be others example I will show. You need to be a schema markup. I hope everyone is know what is schema. Actually lots of types of schema like product schema, service schema, and other types of schema, and you want to make sure you are add your schema in your website in relevance of keyword. Your names, your experience, then your phone number, your address, your email address, your proof, and make a schema, then upload your website. After that Google and other search engine quickly understand and show this in this overview, and your website is organically ranked in the first position. I hope everyone is understand, and thank you so much watching my videos, and tomorrow I will show next class in GEO. Thank you so much till now, goodbye.